raise the sound. We want to worship. Close your eyes, put your heart together and raise the sound. We want to worship. Close your eyes, put your heart together, sing this song. We want to worship. Close your eyes, put your heart together, raise the sound of the Spirit. We want to raise the sound, release it. Let Christ find expression in you. Yeah, we want to worship. Close your eyes, put your heart together and raise the sound of the Spirit. We want to worship. Close your eyes, put your hearts together and sing the song of the Spirit. Raise it unto Him, the sound of heaven. Raise it unto Him, the song of the Spirit. Raise it unto Him, the sound of the heaven. Raise it up to Him. We want to sing, we want to pray. We put our hands together, we raise the sound. We want to sing, we want to pray. We put our hands together, we raise the sound. Breathe upon us, you are nothing good, for we know nothing of our own. We will keep praising you. Oh, we know nothing of our own, for we dwell upon your strength. Say, for those who wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. We wanna praise you. We will shout hallelujah. Sound of the Spirit. We raise the chant of the Spirit. We raise the sound of the Spirit. We raise the chant of the Spirit. We raise the sound of the Spirit. We raise the chant of the Spirit. Together, we sing to you. We say, hallowed be your name. 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 You will sit in the land. Hallowed be your name. 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 your name.